Hey guys, this is Lucas Holler. I'm going to show you how to make a really cool paper airplane. This is one of my favorite styles that I like to make, and it flies really well. So please subscribe to this video up on the top of the link, the bottom of the name, and enjoy. Okay, so the first step you want to do is get these two ends on the top of your paper, and you want to fold them down to the middle like I'm doing now. Okay, now that you're done with that, your paper, you want it to be looking like that. Now you want to get this end right here on your paper, right here, and you want to fold it so it makes a vertical line from the top of the paper, from the tip here down to the middle. And you make a crease, and the same thing to the other side. And now your paper, you want it to be looking like that. And then you fold it through the middle, well, like this. You want your folds to be like that on this side. Then you fold it to the white side. You fold it like that, and make it as good as possible. Then you want to go back to the other side and fold it there too, in the same line that you did it in the other side. And you fold it like that again. Now your paper should be looking like that. Then you fold this side from the tip of the paper right here, and you fold it all the way down to this line right here. Right here. You make a crease, and you do the same thing to the other side. Make a crease. Now your paper airplane should look like that. And now you fold it like that, so it looks like that. And you get this flap right here, and you fold it. Fold it. Now it should look like a triangle there, like that. And the same thing to the other side. Make a crease. Now your paper airplane should look like that. And another way you can do it, you can make the same thing, the same airplane, and put it in through here and staple it. That'll look cool, but it won't fly as high. And now both sides, and this is my room, by the way. Throw it. That flew pretty good, but this is a room, and it's not up to fly that far. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and please subscribe up there and hit the like button on the bottom. Thanks.